Hi guys, welcome to SCC Math. Today we're going to be counting coins and we will be counting nickels. Alright, so let's get started. I'll do these examples with you and then I'll show you a blank page where you're going to count how many cents there are. So let's start with the instructions. It says add the value of each row of coins. Then trace the amount in the box on the right. So we're going to add up all of these coins and put the answer here on this side. So now this is a nickel, right? And a nickel is equal to 5 cents. So when we're doing our math for like problem 2, we're going to be adding 5s, and we can do that by skip counting, right? So we'll be skip counting and adding by 5. So let's just go ahead and get started. So here we have 1 nickel. We know 1 nickel is worth 5 cents, so we know the answer is 5. Here in problem number 2, we have 2 nickels. So when we're adding 2 nickels, it will be like adding 5 plus 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have 10 cents. And remember, if you need to add your touch points, you can go ahead and do that. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. As we get higher, it's going to be good to skip count. So skip counting by 5. So we have 3 nickels. So that's like 5 plus 5 plus 5. And we can go ahead and skip count that. So 5, 10, 15. That's 15 cents. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 cents. Same with problem number 4. We can skip count by 5. So we know 5, 10, 15, 20, right? So we know there's 20 cents in row number 4. I'm going to scoot you guys up. And you can use the row before you to help you out. So we knew this was 5. Let me scoot you down. So we knew this was 5. So we know this one's going to be 5, we know this one's going to be 5, and so on. And then we know this one's 10, so we know this is going to be 10 all the way down. And we know this one's 15, so this is going to be 15 all the way down. So let me give you some more examples. So we have row number 5, we have 5 nickels. So you can do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or we can do skip counting, which starts with 5 like the previous one, then 10, then 15, then 20, and then 20 plus 5 is 25. And that's how we know there's 25 cents in row number 5. So we can do the same thing. We can apply all of the counting from before to this line, right? So we do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? These two are the same now. But there's another coin. So we're going to do 25 plus 5. So if you want, you can write it out. 25 plus 5, and then add your touch points. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because it's 10, we know the 0 comes down and the 1 goes up. And then we add 1, 2, 3. 30. So you know 25 cents plus 5 cents is 30 cents. And let's keep skip counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oops. 35 plus 5 is 40. Ready? Last 2 lines. Number 9. Let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. So we know there's 45 cents in row 9. And last one, right? Row 10. Let's skip count together by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45 plus 5 is 50. So we have 50 cents in row 10. So now I'm going to show you a page that you guys can do at home, right? So we're going to go ahead and start by you guys doing this one at home where you're counting by fives. It's going to look very similar to what we just did. So if you need help filling out this one, you can rewind the video and look at our previous skip counting. So we're going to start with this chalk one, right? And it all starts with the first one. 1 nickel. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. So we know that the answer is 5, right? Because 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. Now I want you guys to pause the video and answer 2 through 10 all by yourself, okay? There's 2 through 8, and you can freeze the video if you'd like and answer at home on your own page. And then here's 9 through 10. And you can pause the video and answer at home. Next, we're going to make it a little bit trickier by having different amounts, okay? So if you look at problem 1, it's not starting with 1 nickel, it's starting with 2 nickels. So we're just going to do our addition or our skip counting, right? So we're going to skip count 5, 10. So you know in row number 1, there's 10 cents. Or you can also add. So you know a nickel plus a nickel is 5 cents plus 5 cents. And we can go ahead and add that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know there's 10 cents there. Any way you need to work on it, you can work on it. So here's problems 1 through 7, and you guys can pause the video and work on them at home. And then here's here's problems 8 through 10. All right, guys, pause the videos and work on them at home. This has been skip counting by fives and nickels and counting coins. All right, see you guys in the next SEC math video. Bye.